Hey guys, welcome back to BCStrike Productions. Today I'm going to teach you how to build a bench. So let's go do it. Well guys, that's how you build the simple bench. I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you want to see more tutorials like this, just subscribe, comment in the description below and in the comments. And look out, share with your friends. And once I hit 50 subscribers, I'm going to hold a stop motion contest. So subscribe. There's going to be some great prizes in there. I don't want to miss that. So